Hello viewers, let's activate the beautiful taskbar in Microsoft Edge and to avoid double clicking the browser again and again. So first open Microsoft Edge browser. So click on three dots and click more tools and click launch search bar and it's activated. You can see it. Now let me close the browser and I can go anywhere anytime and let me click YouTube JQ Hantek and it's directly reach over there. Now let me close the browser once again and let me type any XYZ address like Google. It's open. So just click inside and without opening browser you can reach the website instantly. To turn it off, it's a simple method. Let me close the browser. So click on these three dots and come down, uncheck auto launch search bar. Click it and once again go to these three dots and close search bar. Now it's gone. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.